Do you need to feed a crowd without spending hours in the kitchen? This creamy Crockpot chicken spaghetti is your answer. The secret? A perfect blend of spices and letting your Crockpot do all the work. You're going to start with our flavor-packed spice blend. It's just pantry staples that you already have. This blend makes all the difference. You are going to season your chicken with this blend, add soup, tomatoes, and Rotel. That's it. Your prep is done. Now the magic happens. Set it and forget it. Your Crockpot does all the work. Come back to perfectly tender chicken. Now we're going to add a few more seasonings in, and then we're going to shred that chicken right in the sauce, add cheese and sour cream for incredible creaminess. Then you're going to stir in your cooked pasta. And what do you have? You have a restaurant quality dinner for 8 for under $20. This is perfect for game day, family dinner, or meal prep. Make it once and they'll beg you to make it again. And if you enjoyed this recipe, come to GameDayEats.com for more great recipes.